So guys, what we have here for today is XAU USD, which means our gold spot. We would want to actually see where our price will be moving for today. Actually, I did analysis and we actually predicted the move on where our gold will actually be moving. Where I said that if our gold is still ranging, like I said, like I still predicted that our gold is still ranging. Unfortunately enough, we actually had that move today. So basically, we would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 22. To actually get the price movement, we would start the analysis from the weekly time frame. I love it from the weekly time frame, so it will be a quick one. Now take a look at this gold, right? We can see some key levels here. Yeah, once price got to this area, we saw that the price rejected this area multiple times. It came to this level down here, and it also rejected it, right? We tend to see it push up. But after this price has dropped to this level, right? I know you all will be expecting, okay, it's now time to actually go bullish. But I don't think it is a time for us to go bullish now, due to the fundamental aspect of it. And again, if you had to look at this, our USD index, we are actually going bullish. I mean, our USD index is bullish. So basically, once we have a bullish move on our USD itself, we tend to see our gold drop. But once the gold is dropping, then the USD tends to rise. So we kind of have this interchange in this correlation movements. So once there is a drop in gold, there will be a rise in USD. Once there's a drop in USD, then that's when we see gold tend to rise. So now let's see this analysis from the weekly time frame. There was an impulse move that was made on our gold. We had a pullback. There was an impulse move. So basically, if you understand your trend line, you will know that we are bearish on this our gold, right? Our gold is actually a bearish move, so we are dropping. There's only one way to go, which is to actually short this, right? We should actually look for a way to short this our gold, right? So that is exactly what we'll be doing. Weekly time frame, we have to short this our gold, so we are bearish. Now let's take a look at it again from the daily time frame. We would go down to the daily time frame. So this daily time frame, what can we see now? A bearish move, right? See it this way. Price is actually dropping on the daily time frame on our gold. So basically now we actually have this movement here. I will start it from better understanding. Then a correction was made here. Impulse move again was made. We had another correction on this our gold, came to paste this our key level area here. So we are expecting a pullback impulse move again, right? So which we actually add. Then we actually add a correction level. We saw this huge week. So this week actually came to this level again, where price actually rejected before previously. See, price came to this level and gave us a pullback at this level. Now price broke below it and it has got to test it again. What you will be expecting next on this gold is a drop, right? So basically we are on a drop on this our gold. So now we would want to actually place this trade and try to see where this trade will actually be going for the next day. That will now make us to go down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is a time frame we would want to place this trade. So what can we see on the 4-hour time frame? Simple thing, we are ranging. Now let zoom it properly. So this see it this way. This gold on the 4-hour time frame, what can we see here? We are actually ranging, and basically one rule of trading is that you should trade what you see and not what you think. So what we clearly can see here is that this gold is ranging. So basically there's only one movement we should be making, range with the market. So basically price came to this level, then it bounces up. We take up as a support level, we took down as a we take up as a resistance level, we took down as a support level. So price at the resistance level came to this support level, we saw it roll up again to this resistance level, and it came to the support level, right? We also saw it roll up to the resistance level. What are we expecting is again another drop to the support level. So basically we should be seeing a drop on our XAU USD, coupled with the fact that this our USD index, if you have to see it on this USD index, we are actually bullish, right? See this daily time frame aspect of it, we had an impulse move. We saw this ice here. This is an actually ice was higher than the previous ice. This was the previous ice here. This ice was higher than the previous ice. Then we add another ice, this ice here, which was higher than this previous ice. Then another ice was made. So basically, once we keep having a bullish move on this USD index, then I can show you gold will continue to drop. So that is exactly what we should be aiming for. As USD index is aiming higher, then gold will be dropping. So we will be expecting a bullish move on our USD index the next day, which means we should be expecting a bearish move on this our gold. So basically, if you have to take this trade, once the markets open the next day, then we should actually short this gold down to this our support level. After it, then you can actually take it up again to this resistance level. So basically, range with this price on this hour 4 hour time frame.